The Perovskite solar cell has revolutionized printed solar cells and are a potential game changer in renewable energy and also our energy system. They are, as a technology, lightweight, efficient and versatile. Also, what I find personally very interesting is that they are the living proof that you can take a simple bulk chemical and turn it into a solar cell that outperforms known or existing solar technology by orders of magnitude in cost, in simplicity, thermal budget, embodied energy, manufacturing speed, OpEx, CapEx, energy payback time, levelized cost of electricity, and I could go on and on and on. Perovskites are also a little tricky to make, and they are extremely sensitive to both processing environment and method. And as a result of that, research is often conducted in idealized lab setups to overcome these small tricky points. And those often fail to translate into industrial scale production. And we simply need a more workable solution. So to turn this fantastic innovation into reality, we've developed an efficient scaling platform that is easy for you to acquire, to use and adapt while offering high precision. The research and development must mimic real-world manufacture, preferably by using a roll-to-roll machine that reflect industrial processes that are scalable and still have a footprint that is typical for a lab, maybe even the lab you have. This small platform grants very fast technology access, validation of the processes that you may have developed at a very low risk from the get-go. The compact roll-to-roll coaters make it possible to produce high-quality perovskite solar cells under realistic conditions and also in a realistic scale. You can easily make tens of square meters in a very short period of time with minimal materials use and minimal laboratory footprint, possibly a footprint that you already have. And this proves that large-scale production is achievable for this technology and not a theoretical exercise. So by bridging lab innovation and industrial processes with this platform, we can accelerate the journey from breakthrough research to impactful, commercially viable solar energy solutions. You could say that the future of clean energy is here, and it starts with the right approach to R&D, T&V, S&P, all in one package.